Not focusing on the TV is not good.
Well, this is only 40x, so I gotta pick it up.
Brian, your face is in the
Ready,
right.
go.
What?
It's not blood.
Are you recording?
This is bone tissue.
Good one, send it to me.
This is definitely not gonna work. Alright, Lee, it's all you.
Okay, I'm trying.
Oh, by the way,
The
are we
lighting is not
doing
working.
that?
Of course it's not.
I know. Boys, you wanna take over? The same thing as if
Now, this is bone tissue. Each one of these black circles is a central
we're gonna
canal.
do 1, 2, and 3, 12, 14.
Hey, trying to have a review here. Each one of those, this is only 4x. You won't see it at this magnification. But each one of these circles is a central canal. And the blackness is the dead blood vessel. Now, when we take it up to 100x, we're getting closer. And this should, you should recognize these as osteons.
What is that?
When are you going to go to the eye doctor?
When is
The
that?
bone, the bone parts?
Next year.
Next
No.
year.
The black is the central canal.
Are we
And
talking
then-
bones right now? I'm sorry.
This is bone tissue. These are, each one of these, the central canal and several rings of cells is an osteon. So over here is another osteon, down here is an osteon, down over there is an osteon. So to really see the bone tissue, you gotta go to 400x. And if you do that, make osteon in the middle. So the first question would be identify tissue. What's this tissue?
Bone.
Bone tissue. And the second, one question, you've already seen slides on this. What is this structure? Identify this structure. No,
Central canal.
central canal.
Come on, blast chill out.
That's the early gastro, yeah. And this is the central canal. And then, what are these black dots here?
Oh, I forgot.
Lacune with osteocyte. Osteocyte
Osteocytes
with
in
lacune.
a lacuna.
Oh,
So these, if you go back in power to the yellow, each one of these brown, these black dots here, that's an osteocyte inside of the lacuna. So when you go to blue, take it up to 400, you don't see the space because it's all filled in. So that's where the cell died in position. And then the another alternate question would be, what are these structures? S structures. What are those?
Lacunae?
No.
Osteocytes?
No.
Osteocytes?
These structures here.
Oh, no, the little veins.
Bone
I don't know
tissue.
what they're called.
Marrow.
No.
Oh,
Canaliculi. Canaliculi.
Caniculi.
Can I look your eye?
Thank you, no.
Okay. Next time?
Thank you for asking. Maybe one other time, yeah. But not today.
Okay.
All right, so that's canaliculi. Very good, you guys. Lee, sometimes you scare me.
can we go back to this slide at the end?
We want to see this again?
Like a review of the review?
Oh my God, this is the last time I'm showing you this. I ain't doing this on
Can I take some
Monday
home?
for you. Huh?
What?
Stop, Ben. I hate you. All right, so that's
That's a lie.
I know. I like the rub. Now, let's start looking at some glands. Ah, since we just did bone, we might as well do this one. Wait till you see this gland.
Glass.
What's the matter with you?
What is that?
Captain America.
Why is it that color?
Why?
You're just affected by the world outside and just shout out anything?
What is
What is
this?
this layer? What's this tissue? All right, let's start at the beginning. What are those spaces called?
I don't even know what we're looking at, I'll be honest.
What is this? What is that opening called? That little opening? It's a lacuna. And what's the cell inside?
Osteocyte?
No, this is cartilage.
Oh.
So it's a chondrocyte.
What is it?
So chondrocyte is a cartilage cell. All right. So what's this? What kind of
That's okay.
tissue are you looking at?
Cartilage.
Cartilage. Don't call this blood. It ain't blood. Now, the earlier class was naming the first guess was testy for every damn thing I could. So get the testy out of your mind. So this is lacuna, the cell is a chondrocyte. What's the whole tissue? Cartilage. Now, when you go back to yellow, it's a little weird this because you go in higher power and the color disappears. But this is a nice purple matrix. All right, so that's cartilage matrix. This is up for grabs. And at least if you're not copying these down, you should be writing down the names of the things that you're responsible for. And you have been taking pictures of these as you go through the layout. So you should have this somewhere in the notes. All right, so we just did bone and cartilage. All right.
Dude, come on.
I'm just gonna write the word. What's gonna do for me?
Look it up.
Different than we look at.
Okay.
Did you get the practical sheet? I didn't see that. Did you get the thing? Send it to you.
Are you talking about the one for the lecture? Yeah.
Not for the sheet. No. This thing.
Oh, here it is. Okay, good. So here's the next slide. This is identified tissue. Identified tissue. Nervous tissue, yes.
Yeah.
And this is only at 4x. So this, if you go to 100, then this is still nervous tissue. And what are these cells?
Neuron.
Neurons. So there's two questions here. We identify the entire tissue.
Nervous
Nerve
tissue.
And then if I point to a cell, I'm going to ask you to identify the cell pointer.
Neuron.
And that's a neuron. Okay, so those are the two
Should we say
questions.
cell body?
No, I would identify cell is the word, not the part of the cell.
Okay.
That's too much, that's, your head will explode. I don't want that to happen. I don't want to be responsible for exploded heads. Now, let's look at these a couple of minutes.
Oh, that's cool. What do you think?
Now, let's see if we can identify this one.
Oh.
All right, this ring a bell? All right, now the question is,
Kidney.
get out. I want to know what this tissue is, the ring of tissue all the way around the outside. Smooth muscle. This happens to be the ileum, this is the small intestine. And you know that because of the simile, you made me sick today. You have a chest cold or something? Head cold? Sniffles?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I just got it from you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I should be thanking you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're welcome. Nice.